Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the best 60% keyboard in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent items, you can check out the link in the description. Best overall, Ducky One 2. This is the best 60% keyboard on the market, and it packages a plethora of customization, high quality, and nice touches in one good-looking package. This is considered a premium keyboard at its price point, but it's completely worth the price. This is the keyboard to beat in the 60% space and overall. Other keyboards like the Poker and the An Pro are good competitors, but I put the Ducky on top. With its FN layer system, you don't lose all that much in terms of functionality when compared to a TKL. The case is made entirely of plastic with a duotone black top and white backing. The plastic and backplate are thick enough to make the Ducky quite rigid, with little to no flex. The Ducky One 2 Mini does not come with any packed-in software, and frankly, it doesn't need it. You can customize and program your keyboard into the Ducky's onboard memory with a combination of key presses. All of this is described in the manual found here. It can hold up to 6 profiles with 3 layers of macros each. There's a ton of customization hidden away in the Ducky. Best budget, Drevo Caliber V2. If you're looking for a great portable keyboard packed with insane customization, potential, the programmability, and lighting options, then this keyboard would surely impress you. It has a solid build with a strong plastic casing. Often budget keyboards are not very sturdy and have a lot of flex, so it is nice that this keyboard will sustain heavy typing without bending. It has many shining qualities. The rough stabilizers make for a noisy typing experience. That being said, this may be a rugged keyboard to use for those working in an office or near other people. At its affordable price point, there are some areas where the keyboard is bound to fall short. We can see this in the laser-printed ABS keycaps, poor stabilizers, and lack of wireless capabilities. However, this keyboard has other incredible features that make up for the shortfalls. Mac PC compatibility, software, side lights, a detachable USB-C cord, and other useful add-ins. Best for gaming, HyperX Alloy Origins 60. This is a straightforward 60% keyboard to love. The board's red linear switches, metal plate, and PBT double-shot keycaps provide a smooth and rapid typing experience with minimal noise, while the optional topographic spacebar looks stunning. The placement of the function key in the lower right corner, near the arrow keys, is a godsend for text editing and other tasks that require the arrows. You'll also find convenient shortcuts to adjust the keyboard's RGB backlighting or access media controls. Like the remainder of the Alloy Origins line, the Origins 60 makes the most of its sleek design. With gently rounded corners and a minimal footprint, yet excellent build quality. If you're not interested in the 8,000 Hz polling rate, slightly higher price of the Corsair option, but want something a little more put together than the budget RK61 with soft linear switches, this is a perfect middle ground. Best for newbies, RK Royal Kludge RK61. This keyboard's selling point is simple. A quality compact mechanical keyboard at half the price of the big brands. It can also be used wired or wireless, with Bluetooth support, making it a great choice to throw in your bag for some sneaky typing on the go. The entry-level mode sports a simple single-color backlight with multiple effects, but the version I'm testing has full per-key RGB. There's no software here to synchronize the lighting with other peripherals. There are also no options for adjusting the angle on the board. I use my keyboard flat as this is meant to be ergonomically superior, but if you require more tilt than the 5 degrees provided by the keycaps and board itself, you may need to look elsewhere. Like other 60% keyboards, the RK61 uses a function key to allow functions which don't have dedicated keys to be used. For example, you can press function and enter to rebind keys, in the lower right to work as the arrow keys for text editing, or press function and a number key to get the corresponding F key. This works well enough, but without dedicated software support, you must rely on utilities like ClearKeys or Auto Hotkey to set up macros if you need them. The RK61 proves that you don't have to spend a lot to get a tremendous compact keyboard. While some may prefer a more full-featured board with advanced software, the RK61 nails the essentials: key feel, connectivity, build quality, and looks at a very attractive price. Best for programming, Fujitsu. This keyboard was designed by programmers for programmers to ensure speed, accuracy, and reliability. This is a specialized premium mechanical keyboard designed with high-end users in mind. Its attractive, space-saving, and minimalist style creates a unique user experience, while the silky smooth key press and the intelligently designed layout ensure speed, efficiency, and comfort. It features best, in-class, top-array electrostatic capacitive key switches that provide an unrivaled keying experience. This keyboard is perfect for the Unix and Linux programmers. Its keys are made from top-grade PBT for a silky matte finish. The letters on the keys are printed with dye-sublimated legends that prevent fading.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.